Kids learning English.
Absent, present.
Absent, present.
After, before.
After, before.
Alive, dead.
Alive, dead.
Active, lazy.
Active, lazy.
Add, subtract.
Add, subtract.
After, before.
After, before.
Alive, dead.
Alive, dead.
Allow, forbid.
Allow, forbid.
Always, never.
Always, never.
Ancient, modern.
Ancient, modern.
Answer, question.
Answer, question.
Apart, together.
Apart, together.
Asleep, awake.
Asleep, awake.
Attack, defend.
Attack, defend.
Attractive, repulsive.
Attractive, repulsive.
Awake, asleep.
Awake, asleep.
Bad, good.
Bad, good.
Begin, end.
Begin, end.
Better, worse.
Better, worse.
Big, small.
Big, small.
Bitter, sweet.
Bitter, sweet.
Bless, curse.
Bless, curse.
Bold, shy.
Bold, shy.
Brave, cowardly.
Brave, cowardly.
Break, repair.
Break, repair.
Broad, narrow.
Broad, narrow.
Careful, careless.
Careful, careless.
Close, open.
Close, open.
Comfort, discomfort.
Comfort, discomfort.
Common, rare.
Common, rare.
Complex, simple.
Complex, simple.
Connect, disconnect.
Connect, disconnect.
Continue, stop.
Continue, stop.
Cool, left, right arrow, warm.
Cool, warm.
Cool, warm.
Cool, warm.
Courage, fear.
Courage, fear.
Deny, admit.
Deny, admit.
Difficult, easy.
Difficult, easy.
Empty, full.
Empty, full.
End, beginning.
End, beginning.
Everybody, nobody.
Everybody, nobody.
Everything, nothing.
Everything, nothing.
Go.